guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are making pot holders. So basically the idea behind this craft is I was thinking about pot holders that I made as a child. I don't know if you guys had this like toy. It was like these red kind of rubber bandy type things, and then it was like this little like peg loom, and you just like put the rubber band type things on there and wove them through and ended up with pot holders. So like every Christmas all the adults got pot holders from me and my sister, and you know, just stuff like that. So anyway, I was thinking about it and I wanted to try to recreate it. So that's where this idea came into. And basically I'm using these shop towels because they were in my car and they kind of look like a large fabric piece of the old rubber band thingamabobs that I used to use as a child. So that's where these come into play, but you could really use any like rag that would be a square. And yeah, basically I'm just going to try to cut it up and see if I can make myself a little pot holder out of that. So if you guys like the craft or the video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I will link these rags down in the description along with my socials, and let's get going. So I'm just unwrapping the roll of rags and folding one of them in half, and then I'm going to be cutting strips into it almost all the way through. So leave the folded edge intact and then leave the seam intact. Cut it in half so you've got folded over strips, and then just lay it together so that the seams are separate from each other. Basically what you're going to be doing is weaving these two cloths together. So you're going through one and then over the other, through one, over the other until you have one all the way through, just like that. And then go in with the next one over, through, alternating it from the previous strip that you did. And doing it this way, you should have at the edges on the top there, you can see the folded edge of the rag. So it's not strips because that was left together. It's going to create kind of a finished edge. So on some of the edges you have seams, and on some of the edges you have folded over bits of cloth, and what that's going to do is prevent it from fraying too much, even though it's going to fray a little bit on the parts where the scissor cut it. But this is it, basically just over, under, through until you've got everything set, and just by virtue of the way that you're weaving it, it's not going to unravel itself because it's pretty tight in there. All right, so here is what we ended up with, a little woven rag pot holder. It's exactly what it says it is. So you just kind of like doop with the hot pan right here, and that'll work. These actually open up. They're kind of like a diamond, like your hand could go inside, although I wouldn't really suggest that. And yeah, so I think if I'm remembering correctly from the little loom thing as children, because it was either single-sided or like maybe it was double-sided, and you like looped the last one through and stretched it up, and it not only held it together but like give it a way to hang. So that might be a thing. I don't quite remember. It's been a few years, but yeah, this was kind of a fun project to recreate, and you know, it's kind of cute. And if you don't have any pot holders but you have old rags or flour sack towels or anything that you want to use instead of the shop rags, that would definitely work. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks so much for joining me. If you want to let me know what you think down in the comments, I do love hearing from you guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Consider subscribing. I'll see you here again soon. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.